Take a ride in the 2015 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, power windows, bucket seats, trip computer, MP3 player, CD player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.